Hi guys, how are you? Today we're going to make quiche Lorraine. So here's the list of the ingredients. So we got pie crust, Gruyere cheese, smoky bacon, and nutmeg, pepper, salt, and sugar, cooking cream, egg yolk, and whole egg. For this video, I use Gruyere cheese because it's the best fit for quiche Lorraine, but you can use other type of cheese like Cheddar cheese. So I'm using instant pie crust. I'm going to use this fork and make holes like this. Not too much, Kisaka. It's ready. Now I'm going to bake it for 12 minutes. So now we're going to put cooking cream, egg yolk, whole egg, and nutmeg, pepper, salt, and sugar into the bowl and mix it. I want to do it too. Okay, Kisaka. Now I'm going to put the smoky bacon and Gruyere cheese onto the pie crust. Now I'm going to spread the wet ingredient into the pie. Now my mom's going to bake the quiche Lorraine into the preheated oven for 25 minutes. My quiche Lorraine is ready. Now it's time to taste it. The moment of truth. So that's for my quiche Lorraine. I hope you had a good time. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button for more videos. Bye!